This video will walk you through using the TMS Order Inquiry Assistant. This is an order inquiry assistant based on the TMS business system, which can query order information by using tools such as the Pro number. Initiate a chat session via clicking on Start Chat. Enter the specific order inquiry request with the order number or Pro number. The agent will apply the order tracking API to retrieve the order data. As we can see, the content can divide into two parts. One is specific data with multiple dimensions. Another is the link to download relevant documents, such as invoice, BOL. In this example, we view the bill of lading document. Please note that only invoice and BOL support previewing, as it is single file. After clicking the BOL link, it will switch to a new tab for previewing the file. Thank you for watching the tutorial on how to use TMS Order Inquiry Assistant.